What if I told you that 99% of shower cleaning hacks on the internet are either ineffective, overly complicated, or straight up fake? But there's one method that actually works, and it's so simple, you'll be angry nobody told you sooner? What if this one hack eliminates soap scum, hard water stains, and mold without scrubbing until your arms hurt? I tested every viral shower cleaning method I could find, and only one delivered on its promise. Stay with me, because this will save you hours of wasted effort. The internet's broken promises. You've seen them. Those viral videos promising miraculous shower transformations. Just spray this. Use this household item. No scrubbing required. You try them. You follow the instructions exactly, and they don't work. The soap scum is still there. The hard water stains barely fade. The mold might lighten slightly, but doesn't disappear. You feel frustrated and deceived. You wasted money on supplies, time on implementation, and you're back to square one with a dirty shower and zero faith in cleaning hacks. I went through this exact cycle repeatedly. I tried the Dawn dish soap and vinegar mixture everyone swears by. Mediocre results. I tried the magic eraser method. It worked okay, but required intense scrubbing, and the erasers disintegrated quickly. I tried the toilet bowl cleaner trick. Slightly better, but terrifying to use on surfaces I stand on barefoot. I tried heating vinegar in the microwave. Marginal improvement. The only method that actually works. Here's the hack that changed my shower cleaning forever. Combine equal parts Blue Dawn dish soap and white vinegar in a dish wand. The kind with a sponge on the end that you fill with soap. Here's the crucial detail that every other tutorial misses. Heat the mixture first. Microwave the Dawn for 30 seconds, so it's warm but not hot, then mix with vinegar in the dish wand. The warm Dawn is dramatically more effective than cold. Wet your shower walls with hot water from the shower. Apply the warm mixture with the dish wand while everything is wet and warm. Let it sit for exactly 10 minutes. Wipe with the sponge side of the dish wand, rinse with hot water. Why this works when others don't. Here's the science that makes this method superior. Dawn dish soap is specifically formulated to break down grease and oils at a molecular level. That's why it's used on wildlife after oil spills. The surfactants in Dawn are incredibly effective. In vinegar is acetic acid that dissolves mineral deposits and soap scum. But here's the key that other methods miss. Temperature matters. Warm Dawn is exponentially more effective because heat increases molecular activity. The cleaning compounds work faster and penetrate deeper when warm. The results that keep getting better. 4 months into using this method weekly, my shower looks better now than it did when I first deep cleaned it. Why? Because regular use of this method prevents buildup from ever forming severely. Each weekly cleaning is easier than the last because I'm maintaining cleanliness instead of fighting accumulated grime. The first time I used this method, I needed to let it sit for 15 minutes and do 2 applications on the worst areas. Now, 10 minutes and 1 application handles everything because there's no severe buildup. Why other methods fail. After finding the method that works, I understand why the others failed. The straight Dawn and vinegar mixture without warming is too weak. The magic eraser method requires too much physical effort and wears out quickly. The harsh chemical cleaners work somewhat, but are dangerous and leave toxic residues. The steam methods don't provide enough dwell time for the cleaning solution. Each method has a fatal flaw. This dish wand method with warm solution addresses every weakness. It's strong enough to work, safe enough to use regularly, affordable enough to maintain, and easy enough that you'll actually do it. That's it. The only shower cleaning hack that actually works. Warm Dawn and vinegar in a dish wand. Applied to wet, warm surfaces, 10-minute dwell time, gentle wipe, hot rinse. If this just saved you from years of ineffective cleaning methods, smash that like button right now. Subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications because I test viral hacks so you don't have to. Share this with anyone fighting shower soap scum. Comment if you're trying this weekend. Click the link in the description box below to join our free cleaning community. I'll see you next time. Until then, stay skeptical of viral hacks, trust what actually works, and enjoy your sparkling clean shower.